with certain other certain operations that we can execute on dictionary data structure. So we have already seen this. We have a dictionary. We can access the element with the help of key. Okay, so we specify a dictionary name and the key that we want to retrieve the value of. Similarly, we can update or add a new key value pair. We can delete any key and its associated value with the help of del keyword. And key in my dictionary checks for this membership operator, looks for the key if that already present in the dictionary data structure. Okay. Some other common methods: we can flush out the contents of dictionary using clear method. So if you have a dictionary here containing 2 elements, when you execute the clear method on this and print, it will become an empty dictionary. The second one is, sorry, I should be rather doing this. So the second one is you can get the key value. So what is the method that we have already talked about? How to retrieve the value associated with any key is just by specifying the key in square brackets, right? But there is another method called get key value. So what happens when the key is not found? So here, for example, this if I execute set, and let's say if I write 2 here, it will retrieve value 100. Okay. If I write set and write, let's say 6 here, it will give me key error. Okay. But there is another method called set dot get, and you specify the key, for example 6. If 6 is not present, we can specify a default value, whatever default value is. It could be a message, it could be something. Then instead of throwing off key error, it will print the default message. Okay. So here again, for example, my dictionary contains 2 elements. You are trying to access the key which does not exist. Jane, if it does not exist, print NA. Okay. So in this example, in first example, Jane was already there, so its associated value is printed. In the next statement, Chad is not there, so NA was presented and /A. If you were accessing those key value pairs with the help of only square brackets, it would have thrown a key error. Okay, so the get method can be used to avoid any kind of like key error if the key does not exist. Next thing is update. So we can merge 2 dictionaries. So it's important because we are having some activities ahead, so it would be important to concentrate here. So merge dictionaries, so the dictionary name first, and another dictionary, you can update the dictionary with the update elements. And what you need to specify is another dictionary. It could contain like hundreds of elements, it could be a single element, but it should be in the form of a dictionary. So it will retrieve these elements and merge into the original dictionary. Okay, so here Ahmed 1, Jane 42, and then the new element John 50 was added. The another method, pop key. Again, pop method you can execute on list. You can also execute on sets. You can also execute on dictionary. Okay, so in order to pop an element from a dictionary, you have to specify key. And if the key does not exist, then it will throw off a default message, whatever you want to default.